The girl who helped the wolf. Once there was a wolf who lived alone on a mountain. Many other wolves had lived on the mountain too. Now the other wolves had gone away. Those wolves were hunted or scared away by the people who lived in the village near the mountain. The people in the village knew the wolf was still on the mountain. The people heard the wolf howl one night each month, when the moon was full and round. When the wolf howled, it howled loudly, and for a long time. The howls rippled through the three branches like waves. The howls twisted and turned down the rocky paths. The howls went down into the village and into the ears of the people. The children kept sleeping, but their parents felt afraid. The people were sure the wolf was angry and wanted to hurt them. The people in the village never thought about how lonely the wolf was. The people were too afraid of the wolf to try to understand it. One night there was a meeting in the village. "We must get the scary wolf off our mountain," said one man. "The wolf will eat our children," said a woman. Then a young girl said, "We should not be afraid of the wolf. We should leave the wolf alone. We should let it live in peace." The other people stared at the girl. "The girl is silly," they whispered. The mayor of the village said, "We must kill the wolf on the mountain." "No," cried the girl, "you can't do that." But the mayor said, "Tomorrow we will send the hunters to find the wolf." That night the girl could not sleep. She thought about the wolf on the mountain. The girl did not think the wolf's howls were scary. She thought the wolf sounded sad but strong. The girl knew the wolf should be protected, not hunted. Suddenly the girl had an idea. She got up and got dressed. She left her warm house and began to climb the rocky path up the mountain. She was guided only by the pale light of the full moon. The moon was mostly behind the clouds in the night sky. Finally the girl reached the top of the mountain. She called to the wolf so it would know now about her arrival. "Aroo!" the girl called. "I am here to help you, my friend." Suddenly the girl spotted the wolf. She saw the wolf's eyes glowing red like a volcano's lava. But the girl was not afraid. "Come, wolf, I will take you away from here to a safe place," said the girl. The girl's voice was calm and quiet. The wolf trusted her. The girl trusted the wolf too. The girl turned and started to walk down the mountain. She told the wolf to follow her. The wolf waited for a moment. It did not know what to do, but then the wolf began to follow the girl. The sky had only a few clouds now, and the moon was big and bright. The path down the mountain was much easier to see. The girl led the wolf down the path. At the bottom of the mountain there was a narrow dirt road. The girl walked down the road and the wolf followed her. The road went to a bay. The girl's father kept his wooden boat in the calm water of the bay. The boat's oars were wet, as if the boat had just lifted its anchor and rowed to the water's edge. The girl pushed the boat into the water. She stepped aboard the boat. The wolf was still on the land, watching her. "Come, wolf, it's all right," said the girl. "This boat will take you to a safe place." The wolf stepped into the boat. The girl began to row out into the bay. Now the moon was high in the sky. The moonlight made a path across the bay. The girl followed the path. She put the oars in the calm water, and the boat moved quietly. The moon got bigger and brighter. The wolf sat still and silent. It watched and waited. Suddenly the wolf's ears stooped straight up. It heard a soft sound on the other side of the bay. The girl heard the sound too. The girl knew their voyage was almost over. The girl and the wolf saw land ahead of them. The moon was shining and bright as the sun. The boat reached the shore. The girl and the wolf heard the sound again, but it wasn't much louder now. They jumped out of the boat and followed a path into the woods. The girl and the wolf got closer and closer to the sound. The girl and the wolf came to a valley. The girl and the wolf looked down. They saw many wolves. The girl could not count them all. The wolves howled at the moon. The sound they made was strong and beautiful like a song. It was not a lonely sound. It was full of joy. The girl and the wolf looked at each other. Then the wolf ran into the valley. The wolf joined all the other wolves and began to howl. The girl smiled. Then she turned and walked back down the path. It was time to go home.